Hello learners, welcome to the channel Home Education. So we left with rhodophysi, right? So lessons को छोटा छोटा रखने का reason is that कि ये chapter थोड़ा रटने वाला है. So the more you hear, the more you will learn. Okay. So now let's talk about rhodophysi. It is the red algae due to red pigment called phycoerythrin, and majority of the red algae are marine and generally they prefer warmer areas, and the food stored as Floridian starch, which is a bit similar to amylopectin and glycogen, and they usually reproduce vegetatively by fragmentation, in which as asexual by non-motile spores, and in the case of sexual by non-motile. Now coming to some more points, let's have a look at it once. इसमें से कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है बिकॉज इसमें लॉजिक नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, बट बहुत सारे फैक्ट्स हैं, पॉइंट्स हैं जिससे कि डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी वन बाय वन. Chlorophysi. The common name is green algae, and the Phaeophysi common name is brown algae, and the Rhodophysi common name is red algae. So in short, you can memorize it as a CPR and the common name as GBR. Okay. And the pigment will be AB in Chlorophysi and a chlorophyll A and C in Phaeophysi, and the chlorophyll A and D in Rhodophysi. नाउ कमिंग टू फूड स्टोरेज. आप इसे ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हैं कि जो ईजीएस्ट वन है आप उसे याद कर लो, जैसे कि इन द केस ऑफ क्लोरोफाइसी देयर इज स्टार्च, and in the case of rhodophysi there is a Floridian starch. So now अब जो बच गया that is mannitol and laminarine which is the Phaeophysi. आप इसे रट भी सकते हैं, बट all you have to do it, just do it smartly. Is it up to you? रिवाइज करिए, रिकॉल करिए. Now coming to the cell wall. Chlorophysi में cellulose, in Phaeophysi cellulose and algine. Algine में there was a gelatinous coating, remember? And the next is Rhodophysi. There is a cellulose, pectin and polysulfate ester. Now coming to flagella, number and position of insertion. Chlorophysi have 2 to 8 flagella which is equal and apical, means कि ऊपर की तरफ, and in Phaeophysi they have 2 unequal flagella in size and lateral. Now coming to Rhodophysi there is no flagella. And now let's talk about its habitat. Habitat of Chlorophysi is fresh water, brackish water and salt water. In Phaeophysi fresh water area होगा, and again brackish water and salt water. And in the Rhodophysi again there is a fresh water some and brackish water and salt water most. Now what do we mean by brackish water? It is slightly salty, just like a नमकीन होता है ना, मीन्स कि जैसे कि उनकी जो आसपास की रिवर्स या पॉन्ड होती है तो उनसे मिलकर बने हुए होते हैं. अलगाई का कहानी ख़त्म. नथिंग मोर इज़ देयर एंड नथिंग एल्स टू गेट इन टू डेप्थ. जस्ट स्टिक टू ओनली NCERT and revise as much as you can, recall as much as you can. So tata bye bye, till then do your smart study.